Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very exciting one if you love organization and like spreadsheets and just staying organized in general. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time because I have so much stuff. As you can see right here, I have so much stuff and I want to just keep hold and stay on track of everything. And basically, like, I'm in this momentum of just trying to lessen the amount of things that I have. And I had bought a lot of skincare stuff because I got into the whole skincare thing, especially during quarantine. I thought the stores are going to close. I need to stock up on a lot of stuff. And unfortunately, I think I stocked up on a little too much stuff. So with that being said, I decided that I'm just gonna focus in on just finishing the stuff that I do have and just getting it down to a amount that's manageable. This is excessive, and this is why I'm doing this video, because I want to keep track of how much stuff that I have, what exactly do I have in my collection, and let's say if I do finish up something, what do I have in my collection that I could replace that item for. And how much do I have left of, let's say, moisturizer or toner or face wash? Like, how much do I really have? And what do I really need to work my way through of finishing up? Do I have a lot of face masks that I need to try to work more into my skincare routine? Do I have a lot of moisturizers? Like, stuff like that. So I really want to do this inventory just so basically for me and for anyone else who wants to try to organize their life a little bit more and just keep track of everything that they own. This is your type of video, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I don't want to bore you guys with a really long intro. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like these type of organization. I do a lot of business videos, a lot of finance and beauty videos, so if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. My name is Geraldi Silva and I'm Babe Manager. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. And this with my makeup inventory. I did a makeup inventory, but I actually did that just plain on paper. This time I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing it on my laptop, as you can see here. I have pulled up a spreadsheet that I have, and I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. This is the skincare control sheet. So I have a column for the name of the item. I have the category that it's in, whether it's like a face mask, a face wash, a toner, sunscreen, things like that. It's gonna go under category. We also have expiration date, which is really important because I want to know what stuff is going to be expiring soon, and so I want to have that on there so that I can check in and be like, oh, you know what, this one's about to expire. Rather than having to go through all of the box trying to find which one is going to expire the fastest, I could look easily onto my focus. I can look easily onto my little spreadsheet right here. I think this thing is just not focusing. Okay. I also have the quantity of how many of those things that I have, how many moisturizers do I have, how many of the same brand do I have. Especially for face masks, I may have multiple of the same kind, so that's important to know how many exactly do I have of that, and the location, because I keep some of my skincare inside the lemon box that you see. I keep some in my bathroom and I keep some in my vanity. So with that being said, it's very important to know where exactly each item is at and whatnot, just to keep track of all of that. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna start pulling out stuff. I think I want to organize this mess by category, so I'm gonna take out all of the, we're gonna start with in order from how I do my skincare. So I'm gonna start with face washes first. And I'm going to pull out all of my face washes and then write them inside my inventory. So I'm going to speed this up because I think it's going to take a little too long in each item. So I'm just going to do this, speed it up, and then show you guys. which is kind of funny because you would think I would have more of this. Something we use all the time, but I only have 4. So I'm currently using this one right now. I don't really like it, but I'm using it up. Let me sit down. I only have 4 facial cleansers, which is so funny because I have a huge box and I only got 4 facial cleansers, and you would think I would have more, but I don't. So I'm gonna start with the one that I'm currently using. I'm using this one. I don't really like it, but it's doable for now. So I'm gonna write the name of this, the Power 10 Formula Face Wash. And then the expiration on this says, and then I only have 1 of these, and the location is bathroom. Boom. Alright, so that is now logged. And then I have this one. This is the foam cleanser from Glam Fox. I love this packaging. I think this packaging is just the cutest.
Face wash. And then it says this is an expired 12, 21. I have 1 of these. And this one is actually inside the lemon box.
I'm gonna keep doing this to the other ones, and then we'll be right back to speak about the rest. Okay, something like this does not have a expiration date, so for that I'm just gonna put NA for right now because it's not available. I have 1 of these in my box. So that is all of my face washes. So now I'm gonna go into my toners. I think I only may have 1 or 2 toners. I'm gonna put my toners and my essence. Okay, so this is another category that I don't have a lot of. I only have 3 essence and 1 toner. So I guess I did pretty good in that category as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and log it into my laptop. Okay, as suspected, I only have 1 exfoliator, which is my Tatcha one. That was easy. Just only have 1. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go into my serums. My serums, I have a lot. Go ahead and get them out. I have a lot of serums. I have like vitamin C serums and just a bunch of serums. Those are the 1 things I really like buying. So like I said, I have a lot of serums. I actually ended up forgetting 1 of my exfoliators. This is the Ordinary, I forgot to write that in, so I'm gonna write that in. But I do have a lot of serums. I'm also putting in eye cream and, into this section because it's kind of like a serum. Like this one, this is an eye serum. And I don't have one. Oh! Oh my god. Did it just break my chair? Oh. Oh my god. My chair just broke. I just broke my chair. Oh my god. No, well that's going to the trash now. I bought this chair on Amazon and it has not lasted like a year. I'm so upset. I'm gonna have to go buy a new one. This is not okay. That chair has been broken for the longest time. You remember the squeaky chair? Well, the squeaky chair is now gone. It's a broken squeaky chair. Okay. I hope I caught that on video. Oh my god, I need to rewatch. Officially over with the squeaky chair. It's broken. I'm so upset. Like, it's broke. I was in the middle of filming. I just have to finish this on the floor, and hopefully I don't get tired that fast. But like I said, I have eye serums and stuff, and I just have a couple of eye creams, so I just decided to just put them all together since it's only like 3. And I'm gonna go ahead and log this now. Now that we got through eye creams, moisturizers are next. Alrighty then, these are all of my moisturizers, quite a few. So I'm gonna start with the one obviously that I'm currently using, which is this one. This one's the different. Our first expired item, so this is gonna go to the trash. This one doesn't have an expiration date, so I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Yeah, this one still smells fine. This one's expired, so I'm gonna throw this one away. All right, everyone, last but not least, I'm gonna be doing my face masks. I have quite a few face masks. These are I have a lot for how little I actually use these. I love doing face masks, but I just have way too many of them, and it's kind of hard to go through them, especially ones that are in like a bottle like this. It just takes quite a few tries. The sheet masks are a little bit more easier because it's just a one-time use and then you throw them away. But this is going to be an interesting one because there's a lot of the same ones, and I feel like that's going to be quite fun to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. My camera is dying, and I'm gonna go ahead and charge it, and then once I'm done inputting all the information, I'll come back and give you guys the grand reveal. All right, everyone, so I have finished logging everything, including the masks and all of my sunscreen. So in total, I ended up with about 54 items. 54 items, hopefully you could see that. 54 items, that is a lot of things, and I have multiples of certain stuff like this. I have 10 of the Papa recipe stuff, so I mean I have to go through this stuff. So like I said, I feel like it's something I'm gonna work on getting down. There were some categories that literally only had like 3 things, maybe even 1. So I mean, I'm not like overly buying on certain items. Some of the stuff that I'm over it's just way too much that I probably don't need that many is my masks. I have way more masks than I do moisturizers, I think. Everything else I feel like is a little bit manageable. You know, I have 4 sunscreens, 1 toner, 3 essences, 2 exfoliators, like things like that. Like, it's not a lot. But when it comes to like my moisturizers and my masks, it's a little too much, especially my masks. I don't like, why do I have so many masks? I don't really know. But with that being said, I'm very happy with what I have here. I think I might add a like finished or like currently using tab where I'm just gonna insert the ones that I'm only using right now, so I just keep track on that, and then once I finish that item, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm not gonna keep it on there or write a tab saying like finished or anything, because that's gonna be a little hard to get through. to keep track of. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just delete it off if I finish it, and then hopefully this will shorten a lot more. Okay, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. It took me a good while to finish. I'm gonna go have some lunch now. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do the same thing on like my backup stocks, because I want to do an inventory count as well for my backups, like backups of like shampoos and body lotions and candles and stuff like that. If you guys want to see another inventory thing and how I organize that, let me know. I'm also gonna keep you guys updated on how well this goes by the end of the year, see if it actually even worked. And if I buy new stuff, I'm obviously gonna add it into the categories that I have here. Other than that, it's probably just gonna get deleted. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and follow me on all my social medias. I'm at Joel De Silva, NMB Manager. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.